Extreme cold warning remains in effect until 11 a.m. EST Tuesday. What? Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 20 degrees to 30 degrees below zero. Where? Northern Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? Until 11 a.m. EST Tuesday. Impacts. Frostbite and hypothermia will occur if unprotected skin is exposed to these wind chill temperatures. The extended period of frigid air temperatures could cause ruptured water pipes. Dress in layers including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. To prevent water pipes from freezing, wrap or drain or allow them to drip slowly. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Make sure outdoor animals have a warm, dry shelter, food, and unfrozen water. Make frequent checks on older family, friends, and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. Do not use generators or grills inside.